Hello everyone, welcome to KK's Art Studio, and today we're going to be drawing a magical mermaid. Come join me. Alright, so let's get started drawing our mermaid. So the first thing we're going to do is, the mermaid's going to be sitting, so the first thing we're going to do is draw the tail. So what we're going to do is draw a curve, just a small curve, just like that. And this is towards the bottom of the paper. And then we're going to continue it straight for a while, and then we'll stop right about over here. So it kind of looks like a hook. And then we're going to continue with the tail. So I'm going to come down from this, and I'm going to come a little curved as well. And I'll stop maybe here. It's not a long line. But then I'm going to do the other side as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the same type of curved line, and I'll start at the same point. I'll come down, and I'll stop almost at the same spot. Alright, that's the tail part, or the leg part I should say, since they don't have legs. And then what I'm going to do is between these two lines, I'm going to draw a point, and then I'm going to draw two diagonal lines that make something that look like, almost like a triangle. Wow. It's a little pointy at the end. And then from there, we're going to draw the tail. So the tail is going to come out, and it's going to look like a leaf, almost. So what we're going to do is we're going to curve this to a point, and then we're going to do the same thing on this side. And that reaches the same point. That's one side of the tail, and we're going to copy that same thing right on this side. And there we have it. There we have the mermaid's tail. So what we're going to do is we're going to continue the top part of the legs. And I'm just going to come up, and I'll stop about right here. So I'll draw a point as a reference, and then I'm just going to curve up to that point. Okay, and then we're going to draw details. So what I'm going to do is right in between these two lines, but more towards the right, I'm going to draw a point, and we're going to make the same design. So I'm going to come out to a point, curve it to a point, and then I'll do the same thing to the bottom. It looks like a leaf. Nice. So we're going to copy the same thing on this side. Curve out to a point, and then curve down to another point. And that's the top details. We could also fix this by connecting this, just so there's no gap. And then we'll continue with the rest of the body. So we're going to draw the chest area and her arms right now. So what we're going to do is from here, I'm going to draw, which is like halfway, I'm going to draw a curved line, and I'll come up, and I'll stop just a little bit. It's just a short curved line. And then this side, I'm going to do it the opposite way. So I'm going to come towards the end on this side of this leaf looking thing, and I'm going to come up, curve in a little bit, and I'll stop at that same point. That's her stomach area. And then we're going to draw her top. So her top, we're going to draw a little short between the stomach. In the middle, we're going to draw a little short vertical line, just like that. And then for the top, we're going to draw something that looks like a petal on a flower. So we're going to go out, round it out, and then reach back. And then we'll copy that same thing on this side. So that's her top. And then we could fix this by connecting this line as well, and then connecting this. So there we have her top and her stomach. And then we're going to continue with her arms. So her arms, one of her arms is going to go straight down this way, and it's going to reach her legs. So we're going to come down to about right there, and then at that same point where we started, we're going to come down and curve towards the leg. That's going to be one arm, and we're going to continue and once we do the shoulders. So at this point on the side of the top, just like I did here, I'm going to come straight down, and then I'll copy that same line down. Good job. And then from here, we're going to draw a hand. So what we're going to do is I'm going to curve in just a little bit, and I'm going to make something that looks like a thumb facing down. So I'm going to draw a big long loop and bring it in like that. And then I'm going to draw a hill that continues, and it's going to come way down. So I'll show you. This is going to be the hill, and it's gonna come down to about right over here. So we drew a thumb and a hill. And then from here, we're gonna draw 3 skinnier thumbs. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna start from here as if it was a finger. I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna curve it and connect it. There's 1 finger, there's 2, and we're gonna curve and connect it. And then here is 3. And then the last one, I'm just gonna come from this side and I'm just gonna connect it here. And there we have it. We have 4 fingers. So what I did here is I just did 1 loop up to connect it, 2, 3, and then 1 more. And that's a hand.
Perfect.
And then we could continue with the rest of the body. So from here, I'm gonna draw the shoulders, and from this point, I'm gonna come up, straight, and then curve in. And I'll do the same thing on this side. I'm gonna go up and curve in. And then we could draw the neck. So the neck is gonna curve up, and it's just gonna be short. So we're not gonna go all the way up. We're just gonna go up just a little bit. So we're gonna curve up, like we're going up a hill. And then the same thing on this side, we're gonna curve up. And there we have the neck. And now we get to draw the face. So hopefully you guys are having fun and you guys are finding this easy. Please like and subscribe. So let's continue. We're gonna draw the head, and for the head, we're gonna draw a U-shape bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come from here. It's not gonna be a big U because we're gonna add hair. So I'm just gonna come from here. I'm gonna draw the letter U, or you could think about the bottom of a bowl, how it's round. This is the bottom of a bowl. And then we'll continue with some details. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw, the head is gonna be round and it's gonna go here. So I'm gonna draw a flower in the hair. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna draw a little circle here where I want the flower to go. This is gonna be the middle of the flower. And then I'm gonna draw 4 leaves around. So the leaves are gonna go just like the petals we did here. And I'm gonna draw 4 going around. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then 4. All right, and then from there, we're gonna draw some hair. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna come down from here to about right over here. This is gonna look like it's the stem of the flower. And then we could finish drawing the head in. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna make it round and not go through the flower, just so it looks like it's on top of the head. So I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna make a circle. And there it is, that's a round head. And then we're gonna draw the hair. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna come scoop the hair down. So from this petal of the flower, I'm gonna come down and then I'm gonna go up like a zigzag. So I'm gonna go up this way. It looks like a backwards check mark. And then from this point, I'm gonna go straight to the head, or horizontal to the head, just like that. There we have some details of the hair. I'm gonna continue this to the rest of the head. And then we can add the details of the face. So from here, we could draw 2 circles for the eyes. I'm gonna draw one right here. And the circle's not super tiny, but it's not covering the whole face. So it's like a medium-sized circle. And then I'm gonna draw another one on this side. And then we could draw more details. I'm gonna draw a little smiley face. So it's just gonna be a curve going up, like a bowl. And then we're gonna make eyebrows, which are gonna be curves going down on both sides. And then I'm gonna continue drawing the hair. So for the hair on the side of the head, I'm gonna draw a line that comes out and we round it out at the bottom to touch the arm.
Beautiful.
And then we're gonna pretend like we're doing the back side. So we're not gonna go through the body. We're just gonna continue on this side. And then we're gonna go curve this line up. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side, where we'll continue on the top of the head. I'm gonna go curve this line down. So it's gonna be a hill going down. And then we're gonna curve and make a little loop. And then from that loop, we're gonna do the outside side of it. So we're gonna make like a little triangle, come out, and then follow the same motion that we did with the curve. So we're gonna go back into the head. We're gonna curve back into the head. And I'll come from here and connect this line. And then I'll do the same thing with this. I'm gonna make a curved line that connects to this hair. So I'm gonna come down and then curve it to connect here. Okay, and now that the mermaid is sitting, she obviously has to sit on something. So we're gonna draw a rock, and the rock is just gonna be a whole bunch of curved lines because no rock is ever the same shape. So we're gonna start from this corner, and I'm just gonna draw some curved lines. I'm gonna curve up, go towards the hand. I'm not gonna go through the hand. I'm gonna pretend that it's behind, pass through like this, and then continue right here to touch the body. And then I'll copy that same idea where I pretend the rock is gonna curve down towards here. And we'll come down and have this rock curve, come back down. And there she is.
So cute.
There's our mermaid sitting on the rock. Oh, we can add one more thing. We can add little details to the eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw smaller circles on the inside. So I'm gonna draw a really small one in the right corner, and I'm gonna copy it here. And then I'm gonna draw one that's a little bigger right above it. And the same thing on this side. That looks silly right now. And that's it. That's our mermaid. We could add details like on the top. I could draw 2 lines coming out. Like they look like cat whiskers. I'll do it on that side as well. I could draw details on the tail, which I could copy the curved line like this. I'll copy it coming down. And then I'll copy this curved line as well. And then I'll draw one just straight down. Just a vertical line going down. And then I'm gonna copy the same design on this one. There we have that. And if you guys could draw scales going down the whole tail. I don't think I'm gonna do the whole tail. I think I'm gonna just do this corner. And the way I'm gonna do the scale is the same curve that I did to draw the smiley face. Just a little smaller. So I'm gonna go like this. There's one. And then I'm gonna do another one that's lower. And then one at that same height of this one. And those are the scales. And I'll continue just doing it on this side. And if you guys want, you could continue doing all the scales down the tail, but I think I'm gonna leave mine like this. And there we have it. There's our mermaid, our beautiful magical mermaid just sitting on the rock. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna color it in. You guys can use color pencils, markers, crayons, whatever you have, and you could choose whatever color you want. So in this section, we're just gonna fast forward when I color. Alright guys, and there we have it.